Hello good people, this video is for all of us. All of us who fail to try again and again just because our efforts have not yielded instantly. Our paths are never the same. Someone uploads just a single video and it goes viral seconds after it has been published. I have done over 40 videos and no subscribers, no views. Do I quit? No. I'll keep on, keeping on and on, trying to locate where I'm going wrong. What is missing? What should be avoided? But consistency is key. I'm not going to throw in the towel now. I'll keep on keeping on. Uploading content and quality content time and time again. Regularly. If you feed your kid in the morning, go to work and come back in the evening, you will find your baby the same size. If you feed the same kid in the evening, go to bed and wake up the following day, you will find things are still the same. It takes time. It takes effort. It calls for determination, sleepless nights, seriousness, headaches, back pains, just a lot of sacrifices. The best things in life come when you're not looking for them. The best thing in life will knock on your door when you least expect. Mama, please mama, keep on feeding your baby. You will be surprised after weeks, after months and years of proper feeding. And all that comes with raising a baby, a teenager, a young adult, shall be standing beside you, taking good care of you. Nothing comes easy. Hata misuli zina come after tizi. No more lullabies. No more changing diapers. No more sleepless nights. No more daycares. But more maturity, more establishment, family establishment, more joy, stability. Everything is more and more better. Everything's good. I am taking good care of my baby. And in this case, that is my new YouTube channel, Broken Swahili Laces. I will keep on uploading videos consistently, feeding it with quality content, and mark this. I will see change in subscribers, views, likes, comments, and shares. And get this, I will be surprised too, because I'm not busy checking how many people have subscribed, how many views have been registered. No. I'm consistently busy creating content. Let paychecks come as a surprise, and so on and so forth. This video will stand and testify. I said it on Saturday, 21st September 2019, early in the morning, sitting in my small rented house with nothing but consistency in my heart, in my mind. Consistency running in my veins. That's all I got. New YouTubers like me, let's keep doing what we're doing passionately, because our time is coming. We should focus on creating content that will leave this world a much better place than we found it. Give more solutions, not problems. Content that can paint a smile on someone. Those 3 views and 1 like, they mean more than anything else to any serious content creator, because getting an audience is hard. Sustaining an audience is the hardest. It demands a consistency of thought, of purpose, and of action over a long period of time. And what does this mean? Do what you're doing time and time again. You know what the good thing is? You're getting better and better and so much better each and every other time you're in action. Practice makes perfect. Never get tired to do. Constantly. Do it again and again. Even when you're getting a thumbs down, some harsh comments, sometimes some uncensored. Go on, brother. Go on, sister. Stay true to yourself. Yet always be open to learn, work hard. Never give up on dreams, even when nobody else believes they can come true but you. These are not cliches, but real tools you need no matter what you do in life to stay focused on your path. As for me, I have made a conclusion. I have come to a conclusion. With my 0 subscribers and 0 views, I will consistently upload new content regularly without fail to my YouTube channel, sharing with my friends, family in the world. I don't need 1 million views, but one soul positively impacted with what I share. I am at peace. I am at peace. I will be consistent. I will reach somewhere. I will achieve something. So, help me, God.